Hello, guys. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. In this additional, not in today's newspaper of Monday. No, it's Monday today, January the 31st, and we have only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And there's no additional, so I've decided to solve the additional of Friday. Yes, Friday, January the 28th, 2022. And the last puzzle I will do is a tectonic with 1 star. Yes, with 1 star. And this will be a number. Let me see which number it will be. 4058. Yeah. 4058. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one because it's indicated with 1 star. I see here. Remarkable. It's a kind of watermark. Watermark, yes. Well, 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. So, the first question to you is, can you see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here the single box. Single box always a 1. More single boxes here? No. Dual boxes then. I see here a duo box. It contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box cannot be a 1. We have a 1 there. So the 1 goes here and the 2 goes there. Here another duo box that contains the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 here. So 1 box left for the 1. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. I see here. I see here another single box. Triple box we have here. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this triple box should be a 1. And remember, if you see a triple box, this box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or 5. Remember that? This, I see here also a triple box. I've told you, the box near the middle box, always 4 or 5. And look, here we have a 5. Okay, those boxes, I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. The 1, the 2, and the 3. Okay, more triple boxes. No. Quadra boxes. I see here a quadra box. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. More quadra boxes. No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures. Some structures, constrictions, whatever you name it. Alright, for example, this shape, the Z construction. Z, yes. Let me draw this here. Yeah, the Z. The Z. Alright. If you see the Z rotated, or the S if you flip this figure. If you see this shape, remember that this box, wait. Yeah, this box has the same name as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. More Z construction or S figure? No. Only one. Then the following structure. How about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this here. Alright. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright, a 5. This box has the same number as that box. A 5, okay. More of this kind of shapes? Here, rotated or mirrored. Well, flipped. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? More. No. Then the following shape. How about? Let me see. Well, this shape. The last one, I believe. Let me draw this here. Okay. Alright. This shape. When you see this shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. And those are the shapes or figures in this puzzle that you need to recognize. Only 3 of them. There aren't more in this puzzle. We have more. I believe there are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we only have 3 that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize? Because then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 2. Can it be a 2? So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes. Can it be a 1? So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 3 boxes in this quarter box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. That box cannot be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Okay. And then how about these 2 boxes? Can it be a 4? So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes, can it be a 1? So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 1. That box can also not be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here in this W area shape. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Okay. Then. Let me see. Uh-huh. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Two numbers left in this cross area shape for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. In this triple box, the 1 and a 2 and a 3, it contains, but these two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this triple box for the numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Alright. Let me see. Yeah. 3, 3. 3. Yeah. Thinking. I'm thinking. Thinking. 1. Well, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. Okay. Then. Let me think. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes, and there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 5. Okay. Then, let me think. Yeah. 4 over here. This box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5, this box is connected with that box, should be also 4 or a 5. But it's a quarter box. It contains not the 5, only the 4. So it should be a 4. Alright. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Yeah. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. This box can be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? So the 1 could be here. Could be there. Okay. These two boxes cannot be a 1, but also that box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this Z construction should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1 over here. Now, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Well, this box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and a 5. But we already have a 5 here, so it can be a 5. It should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4. And this box will be a 5. I've marked this box with a 4 or a 5. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. This box will be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this Z construction for number 2. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. And this box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Okay, this box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 5 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Little bit slower. Anyway, I like this one. Yes, I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also see in my channel, or find in my channel, a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the quintuplet, the killer Sudokus. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe. Then, if you subscribe, you will find the playlist. All the playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. And we will see you tomorrow. Another day. On Tuesday, yes, February, Chinese New Year, yeah, okay. See you then, bye-bye for now.